warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Honorable Mr. Kalan Osen as the founding father of Basic English course, Honorable Mr. Fuad Al-Mutakin as the director of Basic English course, Honorable Ms. Remilda as the supervisor of Smart Meeting, respectable Brother Leo as the chief of Smart Meeting, and unforgettable to my beloved friends. First of all, let us thank God for His blessing so we can gather here today in a good health and happiness. Today, I would like to deliver a speech about education. Education is one of the most important aspects in our lives. It is not only about going to school, reading books, or passing examination. Education is a lifelong process that helps us to grow as individuals, develop our thinking skill, and understand the world around us. Through education, we can learn how to communicate effectively, how to solve problems, and how to make a wise decision. Education also opens our minds and helps us to have different talents and abilities. And through education, we can learn how to develop them to the fullest. Ladies and gentlemen, education plays a very important role in shaping our future. Education also opens our mind and helps us to have different talents and abilities. With education, we can pursue better career, we can improve our quality of life, and we can contribute to our country and our community. In addition, education teaches us a very important values, such as discipline, responsibility, honesty, and respect. This value help us to become better individuals and build strong character. Education also teaches us to different opportunities. At school, we meet different people from many people from different backgrounds, and this teaches us to respect one another and work together. However, we must remember that education is not only responsibility of teacher or school. It is our responsibility as students. We must study hard and never give up when we face challenges. Sometimes in the learning process, we feel tired, but we must remember that every effort we make today will determine our future. There is no success without hard work. Dear my friends, let us realize that education is a very important tool. It has changed our lives, our family, and even our nation. So we must study hard and respect our teacher. Never underestimate small effort in the learning process, because from small things great success is built. I think that's enough for me. I'm so sorry if I have many mistakes in my English language and grammar. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.